Hello everybody, today we will be playing Movie Star Planet. Okay, so, yesterday, if you watched my video, yesterday we were exposing fake pictures. Because sometimes people post pictures of famous people, and then they say that it's them. But everybody knows that it's not them. So, anyways, today what we are going to do is we're going to be playing Movie Star Planet, of course, and we are going to be checking out people's rooms, and we are going to be getting coins. I'm going to be showing you guys different ways of how to get coins, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, I'm going to log into my account. Okay. I'm going to change this to say that I'm recording, because I am. Alright, let's spin the wheel. Okay, let's see what we get. I want to get the 200 coins down there. And for this one, I want to get the 120. That'd be a really lucky spin. Oh, jeez, that's loud. Wow. Okay. I didn't expect it to be that loud. Let's see what we get. Be cool if we could get it 200. You know what? I might do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. That is the weirdest thing I've ever saw. Well, actually, maybe not the weirdest, but yay! If only this one could have hit that one. That would have been awesome. Anyways, might buy. Okay. Might quit. Message me if you want me to make thumbnails for you. I am bad at it. Hello. Okay. Probably gonna change my look at the end of this video. So, I don't know. But anyways, let's go ahead and look at the first ways. Okay, get movie stars to buy your cool looks. Okay, let's see. Maybe Ava will do it? Okay. Ava, wanna swim. I don't. Let's see. Will she answer me? If not, I'm gonna ask Cheyenne. Dang it, she doesn't wanna. Okay, you know what? I should have expected this because this girl is mean to me all the time. So, wanna. Oh my god, I typed so fast and it just does this to me. Wanna twin. Okay, if nobody twin, if nobody oh yeah, she wants to twin with me. Okay, by a look I make. Okay? Okay, maybe she'll do this, I don't know, but we're gonna try. Girl by a look I make. I'm gonna just make a look of what I'm wearing right now. Or something cheap. I don't know. Okay. Okay, she said that she's gonna do it. So now I can go ahead and make a look. I'm going to try to make a look of something that I have that's kind of cheap. You know what? I don't know. I'm just gonna do something. Alright, I'm gonna get this. I'm going to get... Wait, no. Scratch that off the list. This. Wait, no. I don't know. I'm trying to find the thing that I have that I want to make a look of. Okay, that shirt with this, with these, take off that jacket, and some hair. This hair. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Alright, now I'm gonna make a look of that. There. Roses. Alright, now I'm gonna send the look to her and she can buy it. And that's a way to get coins. I will also do a part 3 and I'll do a part 2 and part 3 of this if I have to too. Because whenever you have screen recorder and you don't have the pro, I didn't feel like getting the pro. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to do part 2 and part 3. By the look. Okay, why does she keep... Oh, she loved my look. Okay. Dang, she gave me 4 autographs. I don't know why she did that. I mean, she really didn't have to, but okay. Okay, is she gonna buy the look? I don't. Well, while I wait for her to buy the look, I'm gonna see if I got any gifts for mail time. Wow. Wow. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, this girl really loves it. Oh, okay. This. Oh, those are cute. Like, I wear them. What are these? Oh, wow. What's this? What's this? Ooh, that's cute. Yeah, I'll wear that. She bought it! Yay! Okay. Wait, do I get... I don't know if I get money from that. Did I get money from that? Wait, what? I'm supposed to get money from that. It says that Get movie stars, buy your cool looks. Yeah, she just bought my look. Okay, I don't want to make a movie. I completed my quest. Play fun games in the chat rooms. Alright. Yeah, we're 20. Oh, wait, let me change back. I told her that we were gonna have to win, so I gotta change back. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me change back. I was opening gifts from mail time. Okay. Sorry about that. Let me just change. I need to find the shirt. Huh, yeah. Okay, there's a shirt. Now I need to find that skirt. I love this look so much. Oh yeah, I did get money from that. I don't know how much money I got, but it's worth it. Okay, guys, yeah, you can also earn star coins by like if there's like a plus 35 or plus coins down there, you can click on it. And sometimes they'll say watch a cool video and earn extra star coins. That's how you can get coins and fame.
Blended color, that's no illusion. Just twist to create color fusion. Make 2, 3, 4 color blends. You can't do that with ordinary pens. With Blendy Pens, 24 vibrant colors, you get 276 color blending combinations. Now blend color in a whole new way. Just blow to create a blended color spray. With the new Blendy Pen airbrush, you can turn all your Blendy Pens into airbrushes to make amazing blended airbrush art. Chameleon kids were changing color.
Okay, that looks cool, but I don't think I'm ever gonna get that. I don't really think I want it. Ooh, I can watch. Yeah, sometimes it says you can watch more. I guess I'll watch another one.
Hatchimals is getting ready for an Easter egg hunt. How many can you help us find? Check out the next video. Hatchy hunting!
Okay, that was kind of weird, but alright. Oh, wait, how many am I watching? Fine, I'll watch one more, that's it.
Watch us on YouTube.
Oh, wow. Dang. Okay, oh my god, I want to watch some more to get more coins, but I don't know. No. Ugh. I'll watch more later. Okay. Well, we're gonna look at some more ways. Yeah, we're gonna have to create a part 2 and part 3 about this. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do all these in the next video. And in my next video, we are going to, after we're done with the star coins, ways to get star coins, we're gonna do ways to get fame. And I'm gonna do those ways, so, yeah. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you later. Subscribe, smash the like button, turn your notifications on for videos every day, every week, and everything. And I'll see you later. Bye.